Yo, what's going on, everybody? I hope your day has been good. Kind of choppy price action. Hopefully you didn't get wrecked during CPI. It's been kind of a frustrating day for me. I've watched big trades run back on me all day. I'm only up, well, you can see $255 on the session. I just was in a long from just above 980 and watched it come all the way back with my stop just below 24K and bottom tick me out and then pump out. So a little frustrating for me. However, we're going to keep a positive attitude. It's looking like all-time high grind type price action. So we will trade accordingly. Second note, today is another TakeProfitTrader account giveaway. To enter into the drawing, which we will do at the end of the stream, you have to be subscribed to the channel. You have to type ! all caps Wes in the chat in order to earn your ticket into the drawing that we will do at the end of the stream. So yes, a 50K TakeProfitTrader account is all yours. All you got to do is subscribe to the channel and ! Wes all caps in the chat. All right, the giveaway is working. Everything's good. I'm seeing names pop up. That's good. That's good. All right, I think we're good. I think we are good. Thank goodness. Yeah, last night that was a disaster. Trying to stream onto the shorts feed as well at the same time created all sorts of issues with the stream last night. But how we doing, guys? How we doing? Good afternoon, Jimmy, Kelly, Pieter, Mock, Zuriel, Jeff, Jimmy, Bash, HR, Powers, Julio, DCD. Another midday stream, DCD. Yeah, the giveaways, I kind of want to give more people the opportunity. I feel like more people are at their desks during the day, and if they see the giveaway stream live, you know, I kind of want to give them the opportunity to get in the drawing. Good afternoon, Pedro, Daniel, Squanto, Pieter, Rick, Sipta. Who else is here? G-Strand, Zenzen, how you doing? What's up, Tactic? All right. Let me double check the giveaway. Make sure it's all good and going. Still. Yeah, we're good. Okay. People are still entering. All right. So, yes, if you want to enter into the drawing, A, subscribe to the channel. B, ! Wes, all caps in the chat. We'll give you a ticket to that drawing for the TakeProfitTrader 50K account giveaway at the end of the stream. You have to be present at the end of the stream because you have to type something in the chat if your name is drawn. So make sure if you're new here, you're here towards the end of the stream. We'll probably do the drawing around the same time that we did last time. So probably like, I don't know, 3:15, 3:30 Eastern, we'll do the drawing. Yeah, guys, if you could, smash that like button for me. For the YouTube algorithm. I'm hoping that we do some of these regular hours streams, like New York session streams, and a little more people tune in. Next giveaway that we do will be a members only giveaway, by the way. I'm not sure when it's going to be yet. We'll probably, I don't know. I'm not sure. Maybe next week, maybe not. Maybe the following. I'm not sure. But how's everybody trading you today? Let me know. Let me know. Were you able to catch that bottom? CPI kind of bounced in like no man's land, kind of. It's looking like it just floated the weekly POC and held. Did someone say free-ish? Yeah, Martin, we're doing a TakeProfitTrader What's up, James? How are you? We're doing a Take Profit Trader 50K account giveaway today. Exclamation point Wes, all caps in the chat. We'll enter you into that drawing. What's up, Ahmed? How are you? Yeah, Tactic, I'm right there with you. I've watched, I'm not going to lie to you guys. I watched a $3,000 trade come back and take me out. I made every rookie mistake in the book today. I've not been trading that well. I really haven't been trading that great. I mean, my entries have been good. They've been going in profit, but it's been a battle to hold on to positions. Like, this market has not been kind to people who like to hold their positions. Feels like a lot of break evens. Martin, you bought him, take the CPI print. We do have interest up at around 150, 160, 24,150, 160. On ES, you're above R2 pivot. R3 pivot sits at 66.05. So for those of you ES traders, I do feel like we probably grab all-time highs this afternoon at some point. So it's just going to be a matter of finding an entry. Yeah, G-Strand, I mean, I like to hold my positions, right? I don't execute a lot, so when I execute, I want to make it worth it. I should have known, though, the rejection at these previous highs. Yeah, Chev, I mean, I'm right there with you. I'm right there with you. And I was trading really well up until this week. I had a big a resilient trader. I think here, I'll check if you're in the giveaway. I would do exclamation point Wes all caps because that's what I put in. Or that's what Mason put in for me. So I would do exclamation point Wes all caps. I mean, we got 29 people entered right now. I'm not sure how many people do we got in here? 40 plus, almost 50. So yeah, exclamation point Wes, all caps in the chat will enter you into that drawing. You will have to be here at the end of the stream in order to claim your prize, though. If you're not present, we'll give you 60 seconds to type something in the chat. After 60 seconds, we will redraw a winner. What's up, Trader Matt? Yeah, these giveaways, like the giveaway streams, I kind of want to do during regular trading hours just to give more people the opportunity. All right, giveaway's still working. Okay, we are good. Only one this time, CB. Only one entry. Only one entry per user. I mean, you can type exclamation point Wes all you want in the chat, but it'll only go in once. I assure you. Design up, did you win? What's up, Tim? How are you? Yeah, today's trading has been frustrating. Frustrating for me. All right, how many people we got in here? We got 46 people in here right now. I'd imagine sometime in the middle of the stream, you know, we'll get a surge up to around 100 viewers. Last time I think we had 130 entries or close to that. I'd imagine much the same today. Just a heads up, guys. TakeProfitTrader does it kind of weird, where they need your info apparently, and because they don't give us a code, we just have to kind of relay the information to them, and then they apply a credit to your account is what happens. All the other ones we've ever done have been, you know, a code. But TakeProfitTrader doesn't give away codes, apparently. All right, we're kind of hanging out above R1 pivot on NAS and R2 pivot on the ES. Man, it's been a crazy week, guys. Crazy week. DCD, those orders all got filled. They all got filled. So they're gone now. There's nothing really large. The largest order we have on the books is up here at like 150, 160, somewhere in there. But that order's been there all week. These have been there all week. Julio, I won't be fussy getting a free account. Oh, yeah. Cheers, Tim. Yeah, if you're coming from the options world, what a breath of fresh air trading futures is, right? It's so much more just based on technical analysis than you're watching the Greeks and all the extra stuff that's going on when you're trading options. Like when I started trading, I started trying to learn options, and it was a nightmare. I felt like there was so much to pay attention to. What's up, Ricky? Going to take all-time highs before a dump to 930? Whew. Looking for a big pullback, huh? Options are designed to pick your pockets. Yeah, there's just so much to pay attention to. And my thought process is, you know, if you're trading options, like even if you're trading the triple Qs, you know, what are you paying attention to most? You're paying attention to the futures contract, right? So why not just trade the futures contract? is my thought process. I mean, it's leveraged, right? Nasdaq is 20 to 1. ES is 50 to 1. But man, it's so much easier. Hey, thanks for the sub, Nasser. Appreciate you. Yeah, guys, if you want to, if you're lurking in the background and are new here, first and foremost, welcome. My name is Wes. I'm a full-time futures trader. Been trading for about 4.5 years now. Welcome to the channel. We are doing a 50K Take Profit Trader account giveaway today. You have to A, subscribe to the channel, B, type !Wes in all caps in the chat, and that will give you a ticket to the drawing that we will do at the end of today's stream. Let's see how many entries we got so far. We got 40 people entered right now. All right, looks like we're getting that pullback into 24K once again. Oh, man, I don't know what I want to do here. Don't know what I want to do here. I feel like price is just stuck. DCD, you're going to steal the combine. Yeah, Take Profit Trader's nice. The daily payouts once in funded is nice. So you just have to get past that intraday trailing at the beginning of the account. Kind of like Apex, unfortunately. Not a huge fan of intraday trailing drawdown. I definitely prefer end of day. My trading style does not suit intraday very well. Man, are we really just not going to take all-time highs today? Yeah, DCD. Yeah, once you take your first withdrawal, your drawdown goes to 0. What's up, Jose? How are you? Long time no see, brother. If you guys are interested, also, I know I don't promote it, and I don't have my screen looking like one big giant billboard with the codes of all the prop firms and everything, but we do have Code West will get you the best available discount at My Funded Futures, TakeProfitTrader, Lucid, Earn to Trade, Bullinox. I can't remember the other ones. But Code West will give you the best available discount at all those props. There's only a couple that we don't have affiliations with. Oh yeah, Martin, trade day as well. That's right. Yeah, we do have a trade day code as well. Yeah, I can't even remember which ones we have. Cuz I don't actively, you know, I'll let you guys know when there's a new promotion going on, but I don't really actively, I feel like such a pushy salesman if I'm, you know, just being like every other affiliate pusher out there. Because at the end of the day, that's not what it's about for me. It's more about watching people become successful and making money trading. You know, more educational than anything. But using Code West does help us out, obviously. All right, so goal for this stream. Let's get to 3.4K subs. We've got 32 subs to go. 3.4K seems doable, especially with a giveaway going on. I think we can get there. I think we can get there. We actually we actually didn't gain any subs last night's stream, which is the first in a long time. Maybe we gained 1 or 2, but a few dropped off. Oh, Ricky, your whole week has been red? There's nothing worse than being in like a losing streak. It's so hard on your psyche. Like the psychology side of it is you almost question whether you remember how to trade anymore. I've been there. I was there last December and I didn't lose a ton of money in that time. I kept it small because I realized I wasn't seeing things very well. But man, does it take a toll. Hey, what's up, Lambra? Those of you that are just tuning in, like I said, we are doing a 50K Take Profit Trader account giveaway today. Subscribe to the channel, !West, all caps in the chat. We'll enter you into that drawing. We'll do it at the end of the stream. You will need to be present at the end of the stream in order to claim your prize. We will allow 1 minute to go by after your name is drawn. If you don't respond in that 1 minute, we will redraw. Just giving a heads up. It happened last time, actually. Someone won last time. I can't remember the name or who it was, but they didn't respond in the first minute and we had to redraw. So someone missed out on a free account. Man, this price action. This is brutal. Like, what are you supposed? How are you supposed to trade this? Green, red, green, red, green, red, green, red, green. I mean, it's just barcoding. Because it feels kind of heavy. It feels kind of heavy, but how are you supposed to short into this? One o'clock every day now turns into globex. Designed up. I think it's just whenever I go live. I don't think it has anything to do with market time. It seems like whenever I go live, that's what happens. That's what happens. Anytime I'm live on stream, the market just comes to a screeching halt. All right, we got 57 people in here right now. Like I said, guys, if you're lurking in the background and new here for the first time, we are doing a 50K TakeProfitTrader account giveaway. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. Thank you for the support. Exclamation point Wes, all caps in the chat, will enter you into that drawing. Yeah, designed up. I mean, for real. For real. Every time I hit that go live button, the market just dies. I do anticipate some sort of movement here before the end of the session, by the way. I didn't have any... Alejandro, I didn't have any rhythmic issues, but other people were saying that they did have rhythmic issues this morning. I'm not quite sure why. Not quite sure what was going on, but my rhythmic feed is live data. So it's not tied to like a prop, it's tied to my Edge Clear account. So mine's a little bit different. Yeah, of course, Mulugeta, that's perfectly fine. Just make sure you're present during the stream so that you can respond in the chat if you win. I didn't have it because I'm a streamer again. I don't know. I get no special privileges, DCD. Not a channel of my size. Not a channel of my size. Believe me. Once you get to like, you know, 15, 20K subs, then you might have a little pool, right? No, James, I haven't heard anything. Haven't heard anything back yet. I am going to get that. I'm going to get it fixed. You guys can see it keeps glitching out. Don't lie to you, DCD. No, I get no special privileges. Trust me. Trust me. And honestly, any free accounts that we get, we give away to you guys. Like we don't hang on to the free accounts at all. We haven't hung on to a single one. I want to give back to you guys. Oh, thanks, Spider. Yeah, I mean, when you're dealing with a scammy, scummy like trading niche, I feel like honesty is what sets you apart. You know. No, no, design off. I don't have the TPT branded gold plated rolls in the garage. There's no rolls in the garage. Guys, I've said it before. I drive a Jeep Grand Cherokee. I live very modestly. Extremely modestly. I have a hard time buying things for myself. I don't have a problem like when it comes like birthday time for like family and close friends. I don't have a problem spending money on them and buying gifts. But I definitely have a problem spending money on myself. Don't know why. Any of you guys ever have that? You go buy something and then you walk out with nothing 2 hours later because you can't decide what you want to pick up? Caleb modestly drives the Grand Cherokee. I mean, it's a Grand Cherokee. Like I love my car. Don't get me wrong. I love the Jeep. But it's not, I'm not out here spending, you know, $80,000 on a vehicle. But yeah, tell me, does that happen to you guys? You guys go shopping for a couple hours, expect to come home with something, and you come home with nothing? Happens to me all the time. Oh, nice guy, Dweller. Yeah. Yeah, don't chase the market. You're literally wearing pants with holes in them. Yeah, I know. I know. How many of you guys have, like, you know, socks that have holes in the toe? You know, that you just won't get rid of because they're still technically good. DCD, I knew that was coming. I knew that was coming. Yeah, Martin. I mean, my dad was kind of the same way. Always the same way. James, your last trading mentor was good and profitable, but also a d-bag that would regularly belittle his followers. Yeah, that I mean that's a regular thing. Unfortunately, I'm never gonna do that to you guys. Like, look, we're all human beings. I've never been that way in real life with anybody. You know, I'm no more important than any of you. And what's even crazier is you guys, like James, you guys pay money to learn things from those people. You know, it's just, I don't know. I just don't agree with some of it. Yeah, Kelly. I mean, I'm the same way with clothes. I'm the same way with clothes. But here's what I do with clothes, right? Like when they start a series, no, there's no activation fee on the account. It's a free account. What's up, Speculate? How are you? Let's see, how many people we got in here? We got about 60 people watching, 58 people watching, somewhere around there. Welcome if you're just tuning in. If you're new here, we are doing a 50K TakeProfitTrader account giveaway today. Subscribe to the channel, !West, all caps will enter you into that drawing. We will do the drawing at the end of the stream. You will need to be present at the end of the stream because you have to type something in the chat in order to claim the prize. If you're not there after 60 seconds or haven't typed in the chat after 60 seconds, we will re-roll for a winner. Nice, speculate. Green? Yeah, I mean, I'm slightly green, but I've watched a lot of profits disappear on me today. Let's see, how many people do we got entered into the giveaway right now? We've got 54 entries. 54 people entered, and we've got 61 people here currently. I'm half tempted just to hit the buy button and go long. Like, I'm half tempted just to hit the buy button and go long, guys. Hey, what's up, Trader King? How are ya? Gosh, it is true. Every time I go live, every single time I go live, the market just comes to a stalemate. It just dies. It goes sideways. I can't ever get a good trade. Oh, nice, Trader King. You good? Nice. Yeah, yeah, Martin. I know. It's kind of what I did last night on stream. Ended up taking a $25 loss, like a $500 loss on stream, which I made back this morning, right? So that trade that I took last night on stream, that loser, I made it back this morning pre-market. So like that account's break even for the day. I know I shouldn't chase price. I do feel like, let's see, probably from 2 to 3 o'clock, we probably, at some point in there, go run those all-time highs. Like I said, these orders have been sitting here all week long up here at 24,150 and 160. I feel like this is the eventual target. There is a block up here at 250 as well, but this block is bigger, I believe. Or these two blocks. Let's see how big they are. So you got 109 orders at 150, 104 sitting there at 100 and what was that? I can't remember. Just shy of 160. Yeah, Sky Dweller. I mean, the market's moved, right? Like, I will agree with you there. It's been so choppy. Like, the pullbacks have been exaggerated. Yeah, ES is looking to me like it wants 6,600. I mean, it's sitting at 65.90 right now. Let's see what gold is. Gold still pumping? Oh, gold kind of. Gold's actually putting in a little bit of a flag action right now. Kind of sitting right below central pivot. All right, how many people we got in here? We got 65 in here right now. YM's making all-time highs right now? Really? So YM, I'd probably wait for the pullback back into here if you like the longs. 45,840. But yeah, I mean, that's skyrocketing. RTY is all-time highs too. Yeah, our RTY is just grinding. We are all-time high grind right now. Yeah, Top Dog. Yeah, Top Dog. During the day, we're doing an account giveaway today. So, for those of you that are new here, subscribe to the channel first and foremost. Thank you for the support. Secondly, exclamation point West, all caps in the chat will enter you into a drawing for a 50K TakeProfitTrader account. We will do the drawing at the end of the stream, like I said. You will need to be here at the end of the stream in order to claim the prize. Also, if you guys could, smash that thumbs up button for me. We got 75 people in here right now. And it looks like just over 40 likes. Later, DCD. Oh my goodness. Are we going to push new highs is the question. Do we do it? How's everybody else trading today? It's been a frustrating day for me. Like I said, I've watched too much profits disappear and come back on me. So it's been a frustrating week for me trading wise. Not that I'm not losing a lot of money, but I feel like I've left a lot on the table. I've just had too many trades run back on me to break even. Oh, thanks, Happy Kid. Tell him. Or Happy Kids. Yeah, hit that thumbs up button for me, guys. Green Day, Ahmed. Nice. Solana and crypto meme coins have been running. You're making way more on that. Yeah. I don't know. Trading crypto to me, it seems just so risky. Like it seems so risky. Especially with what's happened with gold and people pulling their money out of Bitcoin and moving it into gold. Like, it just seems weird. It seems very, very difficult to trade. But I don't know. If you know what you're doing. 5 figures today? Oh, nice, Zen Zen. That's a great day. You got to be on cloud 9. I have nothing close to that. Yeah, a series you don't even want to trade afternoons anymore. Scalping Bitcoin is exactly like scalping the Nas. Since my problem is I'm a terrible scalper, right? Like, I'm not real good at scalping. I'm much better at playing higher time frame support and resistance levels and holding. That sounds like a boomer statement. Save that for us old dudes. Oh, man. I mean, I guess it more is in relation to my risk appetite. You know? Oh, you're learning swing trading from me, Zen? Yeah, you just find it's hard at all-time highs, right? Like this is what's happening right now is when my strategy kind of falls apart because it's just a guessing game when they're going to put in a top or where the next level to the top side is. You know, you can slap some fib extensions on, slap the pivots on, and kind of get a general area about, you know, where you should be looking. But Trader King, no, I trade with Top Step, My Fun and Futures, TakeProfitTrader, and Lucid. Lucid is the newest one I've been trying out. Like them so far. Gosh, I go live and this is what we get. Like this is what we get. Oh, frustrating. No, Happy Kids, Lucid doesn't have an activation fee. Lucid's just a one-time payment. Yeah, Charles, horrible PA. It's the end of the day. I mean, I really thought we would go grab all-time highs. You know, especially with YM and RTY apparently trading all-time highs. Who knows? Maybe they'll save it for a globex session tonight for all you globex traders. Yeah, Trader Matt, I know. That's the only downside. Like, luckily, I trade with Quantower, and that's one of their available platforms. You can trade on, they call it Lucid X, but you can trade with Project X. But next month, they're rolling out the ability to trade with Tradeovate, TradingView, and what's the other one? NinjaTrader. So you'll be able to purchase accounts if you trade on any of those platforms. Or you could just give Quantower a try. Quantower is a good platform. What's up, Disciplined Trader? How are you? Let's see, what are we at? Oh, we're nowhere remotely close to 3.4K subs. Ninja Trade. Oh, are you on Apple, G? Are you like a Motive Wave? Yeah, Top Dog. I mean, I like Quantower. It's easy to use, easy to set up, fully customizable. I like Quantower. I don't know that I'll ever use another charting platform. I don't know that I'll ever get away from it. And I'm sure there's some Sierra chart users out there that will tell me differently. But I like Quantower. I think it's one of the better trading platforms out there. Tim, no trading tonight. The Packers are playing. All right, 75 people in here currently. Trader King used Addis. Yeah, they reached out to us at one point, offering a free license, but I just never hopped on board with it because all my accounts are tied to Quantower with the props as well. Yeah, his Royal Trades, my DOM is glitching. It's been glitching all week. It's glitching. Oh, Top Dog, you want to see what Trades by Matt does with Tradester? Yeah, I'm interested to see what he does with Tradester. I mean, I'm on the wait list to try it out whenever it does happen. I don't think he's going to release it to the public until it is one of the best platforms available. Until all the kinks are worked out and everything. All right. What is going on here? Absolutely nothing. Yeah, Top Dog. The Quant Tower is really nice. You'll love it. You'll love it. For those of you that are just now tuning in, if you're lurking in the background, we are doing a TakeProfitTrader account giveaway. Subscribe to the channel. Type !Wes in all caps in the chat, and that will enter you into the drawing. We currently have... How many people are entered right now? We got 73 entries. 75 entries now. And we have 76 people here. So everybody who's here is entered into the drawing. That's a good sign. Tell me, guys, I haven't turned on the news at all today. Tell me, have they found the shooter from yesterday? Hey, thanks for the sub, Shanker. I appreciate you. They haven't found the shooter yet? No, but they do have a photo. It's just so sad. It's so sad. You know, like I said last night on the stream, regardless of what side of the aisle you rest on with your belief system, stuff like that just should not happen. Hi, Shanker. How are you? Welcome to the community. Welcome to the channel. Yeah, guys, if you are, like I said, if you're just tuning in and new here, we got some people rolling in right now. We are doing a 50K TakeProfitTrader account giveaway today towards the end of the stream in probably about an hour or so. Subscribe to the channel, !Wes in all caps will enter you into that giveaway drawing. You will need to be present at the end of the stream in order to claim your prize. We'll give you 60 seconds to claim your prize. If 60 seconds passes, we will redraw a winner. So make sure you're here at the end of the stream. Oh, nice, Shanker. Nice, welcome. I normally stream during globex session during the overnight. I usually go live at about 7:45 p.m. Eastern Standard. So streaming during the day is a little bit different for me. I might do a double session today, guys. We might go live tonight too. We'll see what the market's looking like. So we might have a double session stream today. But for those of you that are new here, welcome to the channel. My name is Wes. I'm a full-time futures trader. 4.5 years running now. I'm not one of these multi-millionaire gurus. I'm not going to sell you a course. I'm not going to sell you a mentorship program. Nothing like that. Just a nice, chill community to hang out with and free education. Oh, nice, Shanker. Yeah. Yeah, we got lots of good traders in the chat. We got a really good trading community. Also, if you're new here and you want to join a free trading Discord as well, It's called Level Up. There's a link in the description down below the video, or you can type ! Discord in the chat. Feel free to join. We'd love to have you in there. There's about 750 members in that Discord right now. Lots of good traders, better traders than me. Let's put it that way. The Goose Momentum, is it close to oversold? I mean, you got a little bit of room to the downside on the Goose Momentum indicator. You're kind of right in the middle right now. It's closer to overbought, actually. Alejandro, I don't think he promoted hate in division. I think that's a personal opinion. I think he was promoting having open debate. Right? Regardless of how you feel about the guy, he still shouldn't have been shot. Right? Like, regardless of what if you agreed with him or not on the things he was saying, that's irrelevant. I mean, the man was a husband. He was a father. He was a human being. Yeah, Martin, I don't know. There were orders stacked from like 24,007 to 24,020 earlier. Yeah, Zenzen. I mean, he gave everybody an opportunity, even people with different views, an opportunity to have hard conversations. You know? I mean, regardless of how you feel personally about the man, that's irrelevant, really. I mean, look, he was 31 years old. 31. It's even more sick that people are like celebrating. I don't understand that. I don't understand that. I know. I know. It's, trust me. Trust me, I know. It's horrible. It's horrible, guys. Horrible what happened. Yeah, I know, Design Knob. It did kind of get... It didn't get the media coverage that this one got. All right, what are we doing? Are we bouncing the Kelt upper again now? Are we just chopping everybody to bits? Are you guys actively trading this? Yeah, Zenzen, it was weird because, like, what? Something happened in Nepal, too. Nepal had something crazy happen, too. It's just a weird time in the world. Like, nobody can agree on anything, anywhere. Eric, you've been scalping this chop? In a short for about 4 hours, top dog? Oh, no. I felt that way about my long from 980 earlier. I literally held all through all this. And then got stopped out right here. There are huge sunspots facing the earth right now, sending lots of extra stuff in our direction. What's up, Just Ain't Right? How are ya? All right, let's see how many people we got in the giveaway. We got 96 people now entered into the giveaway. 83 people watching right now. So, the numbers are going up. The numbers are going up. The likelihood that somebody will not be here to claim their prize is going up. How many people do you guys think? Hey, what's up, Spider Lily? How are ya? All right, Sabrina, you're going to walk to the grocery store listening to the stream? Nice. Nice. How many people do you guys think subscribe for a second, enter into the drawing, and then unsubscribe? How many do you think that happens? Oh, Pipster. Exclamation point West, all caps in the chat. We'll enter you into the drawing. We'll do the drawing here in about 45 minutes or so. You will need to be present when we do the drawing because you'll have to type something in the chat in order to claim the prize. So just make sure you're here at that time. Nice, Ensign. Yeah, Pipster, you're in there. You're good. You're good. We've got 103 entries right now. And let's see here. We've only got 83 people tuned into the stream currently. So your odds are getting better. Your odds are getting better. The odds of winning are getting much higher, like much more likely. Buy the dip that's coming for a scalp. Yeah, I don't... Design Knob won he won one in an eval in the other stream, but he wasn't present? What? Yeah, Chuck, we're doing an account giveaway today, so I went live during regular trading hours. So they recovered the weapon, okay? They got fingerprints off the gun. Okay. So they're narrowing the search. I mean, it did look like a professional job. It definitely looked like a professional job. Patrick, whatever. Just ain't right. I mean, we're so close to all-time highs on the Nas that I can't believe that we didn't grab it. You know? Like, look at this. We came up just shy of all-time highs. Yeah, Angry. I mean, I'm kind of right there with you on that one. I can tell you this, though. Right? They're going to have to pin it on somebody. They're going to have to pin it on somebody. Regardless of what happens, that this going unresolved is going to look really bad. In today's day and age, it's going to look really bad. With that many people around. Oh, Chuck, all you got to do is !Wes, all caps in the chat. That'll enter you into the drawing. Of course you can enter into the drawing. Yeah, Angry Trader, it's just common sense. Like, it's common sense. Like, something like this can't go unresolved. It can't. Those of you that are lurking in the background, how many? I don't even know how many people we got viewing the stream right now. But if you're lurking in the background, hey, subscribe to the channel. And !Wes in all caps will enter you into the drawing for a 50K TakeProfitTrader account. We'll be giving it away in about, I don't know, 30 minutes or so. You will need to be here in order to claim the prize. T-Massive, you're currently in a 24,012 short. Look, here's the thing that I've learned, right? Like, even if you think the downside's coming in, when we're this close to all-time highs, it's so hard to short the market. So hard to short the market. Let's see. All right, we've got 112 people entered here now. By the yeah, Eric. I mean, until the buy the dip scenario doesn't play out, I would keep doing it. You know, until you take a loss buying the dip, keep doing it. Like, it's the trend. Buy the dip. Yeah, Fish Lips, it's sad. Yeah, it's sad. Like I said, regardless of how you feel about the man, it's sad. Yeah, just ain't right. I'm not a fan of the intraday trailing. All right, that's definitely a rule that's designed to force failures on these accounts. I don't like it. I definitely prefer end of day. I'm all right with a trailing drawdown, but I think it should be end of day. Oh, Angry Trader. This is DOM Surface. So if you've ever heard of Bookmap, this is Quantower's version of DOM Surface. So it's just a visual representation of the DOM. The bubbles you see here are aggressive buyers and sellers. What you see on the right is what's resting on the books. All right, like if I zoom in, you can see the orders resting on the books. So typically what I look for is I'll look for price to be approaching a level, and I will be looking for like say we're coming from the bottom up and buyers have control, I'll be looking for a lot of aggressive big green bubbles here, and to be it be getting absorbed by a passive seller and price to reverse and reject and move back down. It gives me added confirmation. But yeah, if you've ever seen Bookmap, that's pretty much what this is. Very similar. Oh my gosh, guys. The market has gone completely sideways this entire stream. I swear, I think it's me. I think I'm jinxed. I think I'm cursed. With the sideways choppy price action. All right, we got 116 people entered into the drawing right now. And we've got 93 people present. We will do the drawing in about, we'll say 25 minutes. We'll do it at 15 past the hour. That'll give a few more people time to join. Hey, what's up, Casper? Long time no see. Casper, we are doing a 50K Take Profit Trader account giveaway today. Exclamation point Wes, all caps in the chat. We'll enter you into that drawing. Hey, what's up, Investors? How are you? And welcome to everybody that's new to the channel as well. Glad you're here. Glad you're a part of this. Hopefully you stick around. I realize some people will be here just for the giveaway, and that's fine. But we do have a good trading community. We're not selling you any courses or mentorships or trying to make a money grab out of you. I do normally live stream during globex sessions starting at 7:45 p.m. Eastern Standard, Sunday through Thursday. Feel free to join the streams in the future. Pasquale, it's been a frustrating trading day for me. It's been a frustrating trading day for me. I've watched a lot. I've given up a lot of profits today. I watched trades come back on me way too much. Yeah, Angry Trader. Currently, I'm only on YouTube. That's the only social media that we have set up. I mean, we have an Instagram account, but we don't utilize it. But yeah, only on YouTube. Other people have recommended I start streaming on Twitch or Kick, something like that. But I haven't really done much research into it to see if it's worth it or not. Are we finally going to go all-time highs today? I mean... Oh, Kathy Wood just dropped an ad. You did the opposite of what she said. Shameless new highs coming. Yeah, but isn't Kick more like a gamer slash gambling, like online gambling site for streamers? Like, is it mostly that? Like, I don't know about the trading world. Like I said, guys, I rarely watch other trading streamers at all. A, because it just affects, you know, I've learned to trust my own analysis more than other streamers. And it just kind of creates noise in my head, so I tune it all out. The FBI released a photo of a person of interest. Yeah, I'll have to look after the stream. I'll have to watch the news after the stream. Oh no, Eric, I'm not a breakout trader. In order for me to get long right now, I would need to see a clean break above and a hold above previous all-time highs. There's drama between PW and Brian Stonk right now. Why do they have beef? I don't know. I'm out of the loop, guys. I'm not going to lie. I don't pay attention to any other streamers. I have no idea what's going on in the trader streaming world. I just stay in my own lane. Casper, the one time the day that... It's because I'm live, Casper. Hand in the air. Hand in the air. It's because I'm live. Every time I go live recently, the market just dies on us. Brian advertises he offers rebates on his codes, and PW says it's BS. Why? I don't understand. I don't understand. So they're beefing over who gets more affiliates? Like, is that what it is? Pine, we're gonna beef, Pine. Welcome, Pine, by the way. I don't understand. You blame the Bears football team? I don't understand. Why? I wonder if they have some like secret meeting behind closed doors just to create drama between, like they have a secret agreement to create drama. Yeah, his royal trades, I don't know what's going on. Like I said, I don't know what's going on in the streamer world. I mean, literally the only guy that I watch is in my chat right now. The only guy that I pay any attention to in the trader streaming world, he's in my chat right now. So, like... And Pine and I are a completely different style of traders. You know, Pine likes his inside bars. Whereas I'm, you know, higher time frame support and resistance. But yeah, as far as drama is concerned, I don't know what. I just don't pay attention to it. I don't have time for it. I don't have time for it. I'll be honest with you. At Pine Street Trader, you ain't gonna beef with Wes. The only beef you're gonna have is the steaks on the grill. Dude, Pine joined the stream the other day. He was on the massage table. I'm like, what? This guy living his best life. Life is treating him well. You like to drink inside bars and outside bars? Oh, Pine, don't get my chat started on food topics. We will go on for hours. We will go on for hours. Speaking of which, I gotta decide what I'm gonna do for dinner tonight. Now that I think about it. We should go trade all-time highs, but like I said, I'm not gonna play the breakout above these highs. I would rather see price breakout up here into like, you know, 80 or so, come back down and hold above previous all-time highs. Don't get you started on tacos. Casper. You got a food pick section in your Discord, Pine? Oh, man. Oh, man. All that would do is make me hungry. That's it. Tell me this, guys, okay? Do you guys eat breakfast, first and foremost? And I realize some people say it's the most important meal of the day. However, I never eat breakfast. I never eat breakfast. However, breakfast food for dinner is fire. Absolute fire. You start with a glass of warm water with lemon, sometimes add Cajun pepper. Yeah, Zen, that's normally when I eat as well for the first time. Cereal for dinner? Okay, I've done it, Discipline Trader. I've done it. I've definitely been the person to smash half a box of cereal at dinner time, for sure. I've been there. Okay, here's the question I got for you, chat. Favorite cereal? Favorite cereal? Favorite cereal? I'm not gonna lie to you. It's goated. Is Cinnamon Toast Crunch. Cinnamon Toast Crunch is the goated cereal. Vix is indicating a breakout. Yeah, Cinnamon Toast Crunch. Look at how many Cinnamon Toast Crunches pile into the chat. It is goated. For sure goated. Rice Krispies with a banana. Okay. I agree with banana on cereals as well. Chocolate Frosted Flakes. Okay, we got some Frosted Flakes in there. Got some Fruity Pebbles. Cocoa Puffs. You know what other cereal I really like? Honey Bunches of Oats is really good. I really like Honey Bunches of Oats. Yeah, we got a lot of cinnamon. Okay, there's the Captain Crunch. Cinnamon Toast and Lucky Charms mixed. Frosted Lucky Charms, they're magically delicious. Yeah, Lobber. I don't. It never tears the roof of my mouth up, but it's really good. Raisin bran with some bananas and some light sugar. S'mores cereal. I don't think I've ever had s'mores cereal. Frosted Wheaties. HR, is that similar to like Frosted Flakes? Is that kind of what it tastes like? Oh, Kix. You're throwing it way back. Okay, now on the flip side, worst cereal you've ever had. Mine, I'm not going to lie, the worst cereal that I've ever had. Worst cereal that I ever had. You guys remember shredded wheat? Not frosted shredded wheat, but just normal shredded wheat with nothing on it. Varsh, we're going to do the giveaway in about 20 minutes. We're going to do the giveaway in about 20 minutes. So yeah, if you guys are new here, just tuning into the stream, we are doing a 50K Take Profit Trader account giveaway. Subscribe to the channel. Exclamation point West in the chat will enter you into the drawing that we're going to do in about 20 minutes or so. You will need to be present in order to claim the prize. So don't go anywhere. You don't like Wheaties, Jack? I was all right with Wheaties, but shredded wheat, grape nuts is even worse. soggy cornflakes. Steak and eggs every day, Adam. Yeah. I mean, look, cereal or breakfast food like French toast, pancakes, waffles, all eggs. It is goated as a dinner for sure. I can't do it first thing in the morning though. Big old spoonful of sugar on shredded wheat. You guys really like putting sugar on your cereal? Like I've noticed as I've started to get a little bit older, my body doesn't handle sugar the same way anymore. Like I don't feel good. Like it makes me feel gross, makes me not feel good. So I don't eat a lot of really sweet things anymore. I've gone more towards the savory palate. Your mom never lets you have sweet cereals or sugar on your cereal? Just a banana? Banana's good. You have a latte for breakfast? Angry Trader, yeah, I have a cup of coffee in the morning. I definitely do. That's another thing that happens to me. So, I'm not sure if it's just a caffeine addiction or what it is, but if I don't have some sort of caffeine in the morning, I will inevitably have a migraine by like 1 or 2 in the afternoon. Inevitably. Like pounding migraine. Hey, what's up, Joel? Miss you, Joel. Love you, Joel. Joel, we're doing a Take Profit Trader account giveaway today. Exclamation point Wes, all caps in the chat. We'll get you a ticket to that drawing. We'll be doing the drawing in about, I don't know, 15 minutes or so. Yeah, you can win, Joel. Just type exclamation point Wes, all caps in the chat. It'll enter you into the drawing. Let's see how many subs we got right now. Well, we were trying to get to 3.4K today. So if anybody's lurking in the background and wants to help a brother out, click that subscribe button. Try to get to 3.4K. My gosh, we couldn't even get new highs, could we? Just wanted nothing to do with new highs. Exclamation point Joel. Oh, Joel. Oh, Zen, you're saying the little like emojis that are on the like right hand side, like the hearts and the celebration and the hundreds, those help out the YouTube algo? I don't know anything about the YouTube algorithm. I'm not gonna lie. I'm probably the worst person to stream. I am the worst streamer of all time. Of all time. Yeah, Devin, I'll probably do a double session today. I'll probably stream tonight during globex as well. But I wanted to do the giveaway. Oh, thanks, Sensen. Appreciate the love and support. I appreciate everybody's love and support. I feel very blessed. Extremely blessed. No, I'm the best because I don't know how it works. Yeah, I have no idea, right? I have no idea how my channel grew to the size that it did. I really have no clue. I just go with the flow. be myself, and hopefully you guys learn something along the way. I like meeting new people. Adam, worst stream you haven't seen yours. Yeah, I mean, I don't know what I'm doing, right? Really, all I'm doing is hanging out with you guys like I would in real life. You know, there's just a camera on and lights on, and that's about it. All right, Power Hour has officially started. Are we going to get a move outside of this little range that we've been kind of stuck in? We had a peak above, you know, a 10-point move above, but it kind of smacked right back into it. All right, guys, we'll do the drawing in about 15 minutes. How many people we got here now? We got 107 people in right now. How many entries do we have? Let me see. Wow, we've got 130 entries. So there's some people that aren't here. Some people that entered that are not here. So your chances are going up. Your chances are going up. Yeah, Joel, you entered 30 times in secret. You're bad. Joel, are the people that are gone all your alt accounts? Is that what's happening? Calling the last 90 seconds or so for a real move. Oh, yeah, like murder algo time, Martin? Is that what you're saying? Like the murder algo is going to be the move for the day? Joel. Love you, Joel. I don't know. Maybe they're going to wait till globex in order to get the move to all-time highs on the Nas, you know? 107 to 1. Great odds. I mean, it is. That's pretty good odds. I mean, let's see. How much is TakeProfitTrader? Okay, if you had a discount code, if you use code Wes, I think it's a little over $100 for a 50K. So, I mean, in the last 2 weeks, we've given away over $400 in accounts. That's pretty good. Like I said, guys, if you're just tuning in, make sure you hit that subscribe button and exclamation point Wes, all caps in the chat. We'll enter you into the drawing for a free 50K TakeProfitTrader account. I was really hoping we'd get to 3.4K subs today. I don't think it's gonna happen. We're gonna fall shy, unfortunately. But that's okay. I need to put one of those live sub counters so I don't have to keep dragging that thing over. Oh my goodness. There is nothing to do here. There is absolutely nothing to do here. Demonte range on CPI is the US okay? I know. I mean, we're outside of the weekly range, hanging out kind of. You know, we're floating towards the top end of it. Mystic Ricks, how's the audience's XFA going? Oh, you mean the chat trades? Is that what you're talking about? The chat trades account? They told us that we couldn't do it, unfortunately, Mystic. They said CME compliance issues. So it's there's nothing going on that account. Yeah. Yeah, we got the email saying can't do it. I know, Alexi. It's just what they told us. But I have other accounts with that prop as well. So I didn't want to risk, being banned, right? Hey, thanks for the sub, Tactical. Appreciate you. All right, guys. 10 minutes. 10 minutes and we will do the account giveaway. So if you're looking in the background and want your chance to win a 50K TakeProfitTrader account, subscribe to the channel, !Wes in all caps in the chat. We'll enter you into the drawing. We'll be doing the drawing in about 10 minutes. Man, guys, now I'm hungry. All that food talk, I'm hungry. I'm hungry as could be. Come on. Yeah, Alexi, like, look, when we pass the account, which, by the way, I've never seen that happen either. Um, I've never seen, a community of traders with a streamer pass an evaluation with one of these props, and it happened on my stream. I've never seen that happen. So, I mean, that was a first for me. It just goes to show how good of traders we actually have in this community, Yeah, DeMonte, like, I think that's kind of what they were pointing at with the email. Does it happen all the time? Yeah, it happens all the time. I mean, I see a lot of streamers doing chat trade streams, right? But the thing is that the accounts never pass. this was the account passed. Like it got to funded stage. Oh no, Zuriel. What's up, Georgia? I'm doing good. Yeah, guys, if you're just tuning in about 5-6 minutes, we're gonna do the 50K TakeProfitTrader account giveaway. Subscribe to the channel, !Wes in all caps in the chat will enter you into that drawing. You've seen streamers giving accounts to children to play. Yeah, those streamers, though, have so many eyeballs and such big influence that at a certain point it becomes a business decision. At the end of the day, they're simulated accounts. It's not like these orders are really going on the books. But I'm going to play by the rules. I'm not going to break the rules. I have other accounts that earn money from these props. I'm not going to risk losing all those profits because of something like that, right? Man, guys, all that food talk. My mouth is watering. My mouth is watering now. Man, breakfast for dinner doesn't sound too bad. I might make up some pancakes and bacon and eggs. Might be doing breakfast. Might be doing breakfast for dinner tonight. No, Zen, I think I might be doing breakfast for dinner tonight. I think I might do it. It sounds good. Ooh, or like a ham and cheese omelet. That sounds pretty good. That sounds pretty good. French toast, Mystic? Yeah, French toast is good. French toast is really good. I just can't decide if I'm into like the syrup thing tonight or if I want more like an omelet style. Omelet and toast. All right. How many people we got in here? We got 108 people in here right now. About 3 minutes, 4 minutes, we're going to do the giveaway. So make sure that you're subscribed to the channel. Make sure you type !Wes in all caps in the chat to enter into that drawing. We currently have 144 entries, and we have 108 people in here right now. So, some people are not present. Hopefully you guys stay subscribed to the channel. Hopefully you want to be a part of this community. We got a great trading community. If you're interested, we do have a free trading Discord as well. We aren't selling any signal services or mentorship programs or courses or anything like that. Just a nice chill place to hang out for free with other really good traders. It's called Level Up. Link in the description down below the video. Feel free to join. Come hang out. I will be doing another stream this evening at my normal time at 7:45 p.m. Eastern Standard. I normally stream during globex session Sunday through Thursday nights starting at 7:45 p.m. Feel free to come hang out during those sessions as well. Man, the market literally did nothing the entire time I was live today. No trades. I guess I could have taken the bounce off this pivot maybe up into resistance, but that's really the only thing that I see. Minute long ad right now when I say there's a giveaway again. Wait, there's a minute long ad, Caleb? We have, so the ad settings are on the lowest settings possible. And I think it's a user by user basis is how they say. An ad popped up for you, Mystic, too? Yeah, we have it on the lowest setting possible. You make sandwiches out of them with sausage and eggs? Yeah. All right, guys. I'll give you a couple more minutes. You keep getting them, Sabrina? Yeah, I think it's on a user-by-user basis. Some people get ads, some others don't. It's really weird. YouTube. YouTube's always got to get their cut, right? Hey, thanks for the sub, Jeremiah. Appreciate you. All right, guys. We'll go 60 seconds, and then we'll do the drawing. So make sure you subscribe. !Wes, all caps in the chat. We'll enter you into that drawing. Make sure you get it in. We've got 151 people entered. If you're not here when we do the drawing, can't claim the prize. That will eliminate you. We will re-roll. We are bringing the giveaway over right now. All right, guys. Last entries going in right now. Get them in. All right. We are drawing in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Alexi, you have won a 50K TakeProfitTrader account. Type something in the chat to let us know that you are here. There we go. All right, Alexi. Congratulations, brother. GG's in the chat for Alexi for winning a free 50K TakeProfitTrader account. Very nice. Very nice. Congratulations, Alexi. Mock, are you still here? All right. Mock, will you get in touch with Alexi to walk him through the process for how to claim the 50K Take Profit Trader account? Congratulations, Alexi. Let me know how you get on with that account, by the way. It's always nice to when you turn a free account into some money. That'd be an amazing thing. Second prize box of steak knives, Captain Price. Oh, jeez. Yeah, Jimmy, we'll have more accounts to give away in the future. I promise. Um, I'm not sure when the next account giveaway will be, but it won't be too far into the future. I promise. I like giving back to you guys. Like I said, I can't thank you all enough for the love and support that you guys show me. I never thought that my channel would ever get to the point where we had, 3,385 subscribers, right? Like I said, I can't thank you all enough. It's amazing what's happened with my channel, and it's all because of you guys. You guys are what make this community amazing. You're what make the stream amazing. Like I said, you guys deserve all the credit here. So I can't thank you enough, and I want to reward you for that, or at least have the opportunity to be rewarded. One of these giveaways, it'll be a members only giveaway as well for those that truly support the channel on that level. I want to give back to those people too. So yeah. Yeah, Alexi, do you have Discord? X-Clad Pants. What's up, Lance? How are you? Guys, I will be going live tonight as well. We're going to do a double session today. So I'll be live tonight during globex session starting at 7:45 p.m. Eastern. I'll probably take a break here shortly, go eat something, and get caught up on some news headlines, and then I'll be back in a few hours. Yeah. So yeah. Well, we'll call it into the stream there. Enjoy the rest of the session, guys. We're kind of just hanging out right below all-time highs. Watch out for that murder algo. It could be violent today. I will be back live at 7:45 p.m. Eastern. Hopefully you guys come and hang out, and hopefully a lot of you new subscribers like the community. They like the vibe here, the nice chill vibe, and stick around. Enjoy the rest of your evening, guys. Eat something good. Eat something good for dinner. And I'll see you all in a few hours. All right? Peace.